And good morning to teacher Elisa and our friend. Before we start the presentation, can we introduce ourselves? Firstly, my name is Syed Hanafi Yusoff. And
And my name is Wildhennio.
And my name is Faizul Adzra.
My name is Mohamad Nadzril bin Mohammadjid.
production. The dot product is a College scalar product. Is a measure of how closely two vectors are linked in terms of the direction they point. The measure is a scalar number, single value, that can be used to compare the two vectors and to understand the impact of repositioning one or both of them. Next, application of Scala in engineering. Scala is used for measurement. Scala is used by teacher to punish student. Scala is used to draw building. Scala is used in drawing. It is important to study real-life application to understand the concept more clearly. Because of various number getting multiplied or divided by a particular number to increase or decrease the given figure. Scalar factor can be compared to ratios and proportion.
If there's a larger group of people than expected at a party at your home, you need to increase the ingredients of the food items by multiplying each one by the same number to feed them all. Example, if there are 4 people extra than you expected and one person needs 2 pizza slices, then you need to make it more pizza slice to feed them all. Similarly, the scale factor is used to find a particular percentage increase or to calculate the percentage of an amount. It also lets us work out the ratio and proportion of various groups using the times table knowledge. To transform size, in this the ratio of expressing how much to be magnified can be worked out. Scale drawing, it is the ratio of measuring the drawing compared to the original figure given. To compare to similar geometric figures, when we compare to similar geometric figures by the scale factor, it gives the ratio of the length of the corresponding sides.
Mathematical solution with drawing of scalar product. The scalar product of two vectors A and B of magnitude A and B is given as A and B cos theta, where theta represents the angle between the vectors A and B taken in the direction of the vectors. In other words, the scalar product is the product of the magnitude for the first vector and the projection of the first vector onto the second vector. The scalar product formula for two vectors A and B is AB equal to AB cos theta.
Scalar vectors are two kinds of quantities that are use the basic in maths. Scalar are quantities that only have magnitude or size. while vectors have both magnitude and direction. Explore some aspects of scalar and vectors, including distance, displacement, speed, and velocity. And you can see this picture, all this is the formula of the scalar. And the formula, the scalar product, is the product of magnitude multiplied by the cosine of the angle between the vectors.
Conclusion. Where I and j a unit vector in the direction of the x and y axis. Generally, whenever any two vectors are perpendicular to each other, their scalar product is 0 because the angle between the vector is 90 degree and cos 90 degree equals 0. The scalar product of perpendicular vector is 0. Thank you and see you.
Given that A 2, -3, 5, B -3, 1, 4, C -2, 7, 6. Find question A dot B, question B, C dot B. The answers is A dot B equal to multiply -3 plus -3 multiply 1 plus 5 multiply 4. Then solve the multiply first, and it's become -6 minus 4 plus 20. The answer for the question A is 11. For question B, the answer is C dot B equal -2 multiply -3 plus 7 multiply 1 plus -6 multiply 4. Then solve the multiply first and become 6 plus 7 minus 24. The answer for question B is -11.